Welcome to this guide on how to run a test transaction in CourtReserve after your payment provider is set. We wanted to create a quick video to guide you through an important step now that your payment provider is set up. We strongly recommend running a test transaction to ensure everything is working correctly. Once you're in your admin profile, pull up your own account. Navigate to the Billing tab. You can work from the Unpaid Fees section if you'd like, but we prefer using the All Transactions tab. Next, we're going to post a manual fee. If you manage a family account, you can choose to post the fee to yourself or another family member. In this example, we'll post it to ourselves. You can select a revenue category if you'd like. For a test transaction, miscellaneous is a great option. We recommend entering a fee of $1. For this transaction, we recommend not selecting a tax. A note is required, and we highly recommend being detailed. For example, you might write, "Posting to test newly set up payment provider." This way, if you review this transaction later, you'll know exactly what it was for. Next, go ahead and post the fee. You'll see a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to post $1 to this member's account. Click Yes to confirm. After posting, you'll see the transaction date, the $1 miscellaneous fee, and the note you entered. The amount due will update accordingly. When you're ready to pay, click Pay next to the transaction line item. You can either use a saved credit card or manually enter a new card number. In this example, we'll use a card already on file. If convenience fees are enabled, you may see a small additional charge. Then simply click Confirm and Pay. Once the payment is complete, you can check your bank statement or your payment provider account to confirm the transaction processed successfully. After verifying the payment went through, you can practice the refund process. Navigate to the transaction date and select the refund option. We'll walk through the steps. Select the amount, in this case, $1, and choose the refund destination. Based on your settings, you can refund back to the original credit card. However, many organizations prefer refunding to account credit to avoid additional transaction fees. This allows the member to use the credit later in CourtReserve. After saving your changes, the process will be complete. Close the window and refresh the screen. Now you'll see that there is $1 in account credit. When reviewing billing, you'll notice the miscellaneous fee was posted and marked as paid. If convenience fees were enabled, you'll also see a separate line for that fee. Finally, you'll see that the amount was refunded and that the refund destination was account credit. Those are the key steps in the process. This concludes our video on how to run a test transaction after your payment provider is set. For additional help, we offer the following resources: our amazing live support chat team, community Facebook group, in-depth knowledge base, and idea board. Also, be sure to subscribe to our release notes to keep up to date on exciting CourtReserve enhancements. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips to help elevate your club.